Hot ou be hot. Ben otimortant juste à look, Aframov mien. No only should you look confident, sexy, en intriguing, but you should also not you look good, en act like it, to. What you're just walking down stairs stopping to have a quick conversation, if you go about it the right way, everyone in your be will be thinking you're hot in him. If you want to know what to be hot, then step into get started. Getting at look. Mac surtout be hot instead of cute. Ben hot at connotation of ben en adulte who peuple avant instant sexual attraction tovar. Stand in contrast to ben cute. Usually when someone is considered cute, they are attractive in more of a youthful way and less of a sexual way. So if you want to be a hot man, you can accentuate your curve. If you want to be a hot man, then you have to be more George Clooney étant juste un bibé. Tri also a misconception ta hautement sexy, but they are no actuality something. Seximent attractive in a more grown up, mature way, or you don't need to avant edge. Think of the difference between a Megan Fox and Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey immature classy, oui she shares sexiness from, while Megan Fox is daring, en seductive, oui she mostly make her hot. Sharpen your edge. To look hot, you need to be a little intriguing and mysterious. When people say you want them to think at étant oh. You can not be not telling everything about yourself at once, no alve ben available, en juste taking a longe team to open up. T will keep up wondering and guessing about you. You need to have a little pledge. Think of the difference between a stereotypical rock star and a stereotypical cliché. If both are good looking, you probably think of the rock star hot, and the cliché cute. Both are good, but if you want to be considered hot, flirting subtly or a tinge of rebelliousness help. Be comfortable with your body. To be sexually attractive, you need to be comfortable in your own skin and know to emphasize your best quality. Ta de et un man you have to show skin, but ben juste a little le séductive de et un hurt. If you feel comfortable doing it, les people set part of your body that you love the most, or just en nous to intrigue them. What you're showing your sculpted arin or just a bit of cleavage, you'll be on your way to ben hot. Have a good posture. Stand up straight and look pro and happy to who you are and to look how you look. Keep your shoulder up, you read looking straight ahead, and your arin at your side. Avoid slouching, or you on look confident. People who are hot have a good posture because they reprove to own what they go, and they love to flow and it. If you're a man, val click a difference mil seductively from team to team. Get in shape. There are many hot people who are in the best shape, and there are many people in great shape who are hot. However, if you want to add some more attention from there, work to lose weight if you are overweight, or do muscle building exercise if you are underweight or skinny. Make an appointment with the local gym to switch machine bar oblique work routine are best for you. Exercising will also make you feel more comfortable in your own skin and happy to who you are. It will make you look and feel hot, too. Vision hic. Team brushing your teeth and flossing a list twice a day, washing your face to get rid of blackhead acne, washing your hair on a suitable schedule, en generally taking care of your body. You should also use deodorant, trim your fingernails, and smell fresh. If you want, try a nice smelling fragrance, or try yourself to a spa day. No matter where you work out. If you show up smelling like you have showered in a day, no many people will consider you hot. Look mature. Make sure you look sharp in your route Phoebe picking cloth to flatter your figure. Remember thoughtness in the of the bolder, but take the time to shop around for cloth to complement you in color and style. There are some things to keep in mind you get hot. Trying fashion trend can help you become more noticed. use jewelry. Look for earring, necklace, bracelet, ring, or bangle. Don Virgin cloth, running-ish, or free necktesher. Saftos for when you work out. You can dress casually along a you apart to give you for un tot way. Matin grea hairstyle. Affaire grea style include straightening, curling, crimping, abn, bilic wave, a fishtail braid, a ponytail, or a messibn. Haute people are dynamique. Tear alve mixing up en keeping people on certe. Think of gilo shopping offer look for a short erdo, look 7 A forgui, if you find on cuta really work for you can stick to it for a while. If you're going bald, don't underestimate how ta foolish avadid camp. En habit of grade definitely haute, to. Anti-slash. Considering makeup, if you're a girl. Take to keep it a minimum. Eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, en lip gloss or balmy all you need. Unless you have acne-skin related disease, in which case concealer optionally foundation a good choice. Makeup quand elle guita you que sert attention, à une realistic attitude, anything sexy quand j'y va message you're begging for attention, so be careful not to go overboard with makeup. Feel free to try makeup if you're en open to a style. Eyeliner in particular can be attractive on people of both gender, or you can just use concealer to cover up imperfection. Don't get too emotional. You can be really happy or really mad, sure, but in general, haute people keep it pretty even killed. You don't them crying for joy, shrieking when tess serve or snapping a certiche. Instead, te pretty much know when to show that you're happy or sad, but they don't overdo it. They don't draw attention to themselves because of what they are feeling. People will notice them because they're awesome, no because they're having a easy fee. If you're talking to a friend and feel yourself getting angry, take a minute to take a breath and get to feeling calm again. Avoid checking yourself out in public. If you're hot, then you should know it. Don't check yourself out in Windows UZ, and don't take out your mirror and start adjusting your makeup in front of everyone. Your hotness should look easy and effortless. If you need to check upon your appearance, do it in the privacy of a bathroom, no out in the open. Otherwise, you may come off insecure. Be hot around people you're attracted to. If you want to be hot, then you have to be able to flirt a bit when you're talking to someone you like. However, T2 et un mental you have to put it all out te rend comme ostron. Fin à balance between keeping your cool and giving te person a lit te le bit to work with, ta way, you'll come off a hot, but people will still want to get to know you. If people think you're is keen or in love with yourself, you won't getting money that, no matter what you are. And if someone who you're no into come up to you, Blanis you can avoid it. Just because you don't think ta person is hot or cool de un man you shouldn't try more like a human being. Don't act like you're a keen or a king and that person should beg for a minute of your time. Alve bon equal footing with onion you're talking